Hello, good afternoon friends. I am Vakarama Subhani and my student ID is VPK3040. Today I am going to present assignment of corporate accounting which is based on issues of cash flow statement. My presentation is based on two parts, part A and part B, as well as my assignment is also based on part A and part B. In part A, I will review the existing literature and critically examine the relative information and content of the income statement and the statement of cash flow statement. And I answered this question: why do investors find both income statement and statement of cash flow useful? In part B, I will examine the annual financial statements of BHP Limited, Santosh Limited and Fantastic Limited for the 3 years 2019, 18 and 17. And I examined the consolidated cash flow statement for each of company across the year. And I will answer the assignment based questions about each of 3 cash flow statements. Part A. Income statement provides an insight into the profitability position of the business, whereas the cash flow statement throws light into the liquidity scenario of the operation for given period. In common, it may be constructed that both the profit and cash flow are synonyms, but actually this is not the case. Net profit is an adjusted figure which is being arrived at after adjusting various non-cash items like depreciation and accruals, etc. Also, the receivables and payables and inventory adjustment and provisions are some of the items that may give rise to non-cash profit figure. Cash flow statement, on the other hand, provide a complete picture as to the cash flow of the business from the 3 activities, namely operating, financing, and investing activities. Hence, it needless to mention that both the statements are crucial in terms of the information and both are widely referred by the investor in their decision-making purposes. Firstly, I am going to present the analysis of BHP Limited. In this analysis, I took particulars of net profit after taxation, cash flow from operations, capital expenditures, dividend paid, changes in working capital, net borrowing for the period of 2019, 18 and 17. My analysis of BHP Limited for the period of 2019, 18 and 17 shows that the company has been managing its cash flow position reasonably well. The management of BHP Limited has been able to pay the dividend to its shareholders consistently over the last 3 years under review. The finance costs have also been paid on time and working capital has been well used by the management. The capital expenditure has also been incurred progressively over the years. Secondly, I am going to present now for the analysis of Santosh Limited. In this analysis, I also took the same particulars like cash flow from operations, capital expenditures, dividend paid, and net borrowing of Santosh Limited for the period of 2019, 18, and 17. The analysis of Santosh Limited shows that the management of the company has been able to pay dividend to its shareholders, except for the year 2017. After that, payment has been increasing over last 2 years. And the other thing that is that the Santosh Limited management has incurred capital expenditure at an increasing rate, leading to investment propositions of the firm for the long term. And the third thing is that in terms of capital structure, the management has been paying off that burden gradually to refurnish the capital structure. Thirdly, I will do the analysis of calculations of Fantastic Limited. In this analysis, I also took the same particulars like cash flow from operations, capital expenditures, dividend paid, net borrowing of Fantastic Limited for the period of 2019, 18 and 17. In this analysis of Fantastic Limited shows that the company has not been paid any dividend to its shareholder for last 3 years, as may be shown in the cash flow statements of the company. The debt burden has been reduced over the years consistently. and the management has incurred capital expenditure reasonably with fluctuation. Based on the assessment as performed in the assignment, it may be stated that BHP is comparatively more efficient than that of other two companies. In terms of cash flow management, the company has been paying dividend and incurring capital expenditure from its operating cash flow itself. The dividend payment has been increasingly and consistent, which may satisfy the needs of shareholder. The capital structure may also be constructed to the efficient, and hence it is advisable that the investor should invest in the shares of BHP. The analysis of cash flow statement is one of the most widely discussed topic in the study of business. The paper aims to perform such analysis with references to BHP, Santos and Fantastic, three Australian-based companies. The analysis shows that the cash flow management has been better for BHP Limited and as compared to other companies. The detailed calculations also suggest that Santos and Fantastic have also been able to continue their operations by generating cash flow from various activities. However, the BHP management has been more efficient in paying dividend, increasing capital structure and maintaining an optimum capital structure. The tables and figures may establish the fact that the cash flow statement is a crucial source of information about the liquidity position of the business. It guides the management as to where and how much the management is losing liquidity, activity vice versa. However, it may be stated that the cash flow statement suffers from certain limitations. The statement does not take into consideration qualitative factors affecting the business performance, such as market competition, regulatory environment, workforce, customer satisfaction, supply chain efficiency, etc. In addition, it may also be noted that the cash flow statement majorly loses this fact and focuses on the liquidity and hence ignore the profitability scenario of the business, which may be considered be one of the most significant performance indicator for their long-term sustainability. However, in spite of these limitations, the cash flow statement is being widely used across the globe for its wide utility and ease of use. It may therefore be finally concluded that a well-defined cash flow statement with necessary and adequate disclosure and proper accounting treatment of various line items of the financial statement will help the management to achieve the sustainability in the corporate reporting in most line and cost efficient manner. In a nutshell, my recommendations and conclusion of this presentation is that BHP has been performing comparatively well than those two other companies. The business seems to be sustainable in terms of liquidity, working capital management, capital structure and debt repayment, etc. Hence, it is recommended that the investor may invest in the shares of BHP Limited. Thank you so much, friends. That's all my presentation.